Hello viewers, this is Sushil and I am back here with my new presentation video which will explain you how to do file link management in PowerPoint. I have inserted in a new slide here and will be inserting certain data here. I have another Excel file wherein I have a database of few individuals and their corresponding ages mentioned there. I will first save it to some location on my saying age data. Fine. So I go back to the presentation and I say insert object. I can either create new or create from file. So I'm going to choose create from the file, browse, and from the location where I saved the Excel file, I'm going to say age data. Here, now I have a choice either to link it or not link it. So when I link it, there is a benefit that I can click onto the object which will be seen in my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and go to the parent software from where the file has been created and edit the file there, and whatever is edited there will be seen as updated version in my PowerPoint presentation. So when I say OK, here comes the data and the file is ready with the inserted object in it. So I say file, save, and it has got saved at its location as parent presentation link management. I close this file, I go to the Excel file, and now for some reason I have to highlight the age data range from say 20 years to 50 years from this. So I choose the range, I say conditional formatting, I say highlight the cells between say 20 years to 50 years, and I say highlight with red fill and dark red text. I say OK and it's get updated here. I say save the file. Now I go back to the PowerPoint presentation and I open it. When I say I open it, it asks for a choice update links or cancel updating it. Now if you see, this is seen as a PowerPoint security notice. So it gives a choice either to update links or not to update links. Now friends, why is it said or why is it written here as security notice? The reason being that if you are very much aware as to who's the sender and what is the content of the file, and if the file is trustworthy, say update links. If it is not trustworthy, please do not update links. The reason being that many a times hackers and culprits who want to do malpractices on your machine send you certain links attached into the file, and when you say update links, those links get installed on your machine and it becomes easy for them to steal away data from your machine. Okay, fine. So since I know I'm aware about the file and its sender and its links, I'm going to say update links. And when I say update links, I see on second slide which we had created, the data has got updated with the highlighted cells for the age between 20 to 50. Good. So now I'm going to close this file without saving it. Don't save. So in case now I again open the same file and I get the same notice here either to update links or not to update links. This time I choose not to update the links and I say cancel. So the file when opens up, I see the earlier data of the Excel which was inserted as the object into this file remains as it is without any update. When I double click it, I go to the parent file wherein the recent revision or recent version with the cells highlighted here is seen. Good. So now I close this file without doing any update right now, and I close this file also without doing any kind of save. Now when I again open this file, I get the same links here, same thing. I say do not update. I go here and for some reason I have to change, say, the font color of these names, say red. I do that and I go back to my PowerPoint and I see immediately the cells have become red. Since the auto update was on, this could get saved by itself. Now I go to File tab, I go to Info tab, and here amongst the properties I see certain tabs wherein I see edit links to files. So if I click it, right now I see the path of the link, that is C user Sushil desktop link management in PowerPoint file agedata.xlss. Okay, as said earlier, the automatic update is on. I can choose to toggle and switch it off. If it is switched off, the automatic updates will not happen. Fine, I keep it on and I go to the next options here. I see option saying close, wherein if I close it without doing anything, the file will remain as it is. The second thing, if I go to say update now, I can go here and I'll see any updates that happen in the parent file will appear here. Let us do an experiment. Let's go to the parent file and say delete the name of George, and I say save. If I go to the PowerPoint and say update now, close this tab and I go to the file, I will see the details of George have gone from this presentation. Fine. I go back to the Info tab and I see edit link files. We already saw what is the purpose of update now. If I say open source, the source from where the file was inserted as an object opens up. If I do some kind of modification here, I will be able to see the same modifications into my PowerPoint presentation here. Unless I save that file, it won't reflect there. So I have saved it. I go to the PowerPoint presentation. I say file, info, edit links, open source. I save it. I close the source. I go to the file and I'll be seeing it updated here. Fine. This being an object picture, you will not be able to see the complete file here, but this will be presenting the image or the picture of the source. So the source, when gets updated, it gets updated in the PowerPoint presentation also. We go to the next option here in file, info, edit links, change source. So now before we do change source, let us go, I close it up for the time being. Let us go to this location where we have saved the file and move it to some other folder. So when one moves the file to some location apart from where it was used to insert, and if you go and click it, it will just give the details what were available here. It will not be updated for anything else because the link now will be broken. So now when I say file, info, edit links, and I say change source, I can change the source to the new one. I can go to the new location and choose the file to insert, and once the source is changed, I'll be able to see it here. So here the links now are shown to C users Sushil Shalot desktop link management in PowerPoint file, Excel file of age data, and then the name of the Excel file comes here. Its type is worksheet and update is automatic. So this is how one can change source. So in case if you are saving your object file or you are inserting your object file into your PowerPoint presentation from a server and then you send it to your colleague into other location who has got access to the source, that is the server, he can use the option here change source and again link the file if the links are broken. In case if your source has been changed and new source is known, then change source can be done. If at all there is no such circumstances where the source can be changed, in that case the next option of break link can be used. Once the link is broken, there won't be any automatic update for further versions of the parent file and this link will be gone. So the object will become orphan and will have no connection with its parent. So let us do the break link here and check what happens. As I already said, the links have vanished, the automatic object or auto update has gone. I say close, and now if I go back and if I click it, it will not go to the parent source. So this will be the orphan one. The portion which was not visible earlier in the picture has now become visible because this is not anymore linked with the parent. Friends, here I have tried to explain you how to do the link management of the objects or the contents in a PowerPoint presentation by using a proper method or proper way. We come to close this video, and now I request you, if you have liked this video, please go to the YouTube channel and put your likes there. Same time, I request you to subscribe to the channel so that you keep on getting further notifications of the new videos which will be published from my side. I'll be coming soon with the further videos and you will be certainly enjoying them. Till then, I say goodbye. Have a nice day.